What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is CE-41899-1. It's the external storage error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings and go to the simply storage. On the PlayStation 4 storage, you just scroll up, there is a storage, here is the devices and a storage, and here we are. Here is just have a system storage, but the external storage not showing here. You simply go to the devices. Here we are at the devices. Firstly, you just connect your external storage and go to the devices. Scroll up, there is a devices, language system, initialization is a devices, and then scroll down here, USB device. You must connect your USB device and format it first, and you must have a USB or external device 3.0 or up to 3.0, not less than 3.0, and it will be fixed. That's how. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.